Hello and welcome to this SPK vlog entitled The Key to Reducing Costs and Improving Your Quality. My name is Michael Roberts, Vice President of Sales and Marketing here at SPK and Associates. I'm here today with Daniela. Feel free to introduce yourself, Daniela.
Hi, everybody. I'm Daniela, and I am the CAD SME for SPK and Associates.
Guru, you can say guru, right? Are you allowed to say that? Or did somebody else have to call you a guru? Whichever. Uh, Daniela is our CAD and PDM guru here. So Daniela and I are here today to talk about how to reduce risk and improve quality of your products. And a lot of the key issues, this key component that we're going to talk about revolves around how quickly you can find problems in your product development process. Now, Daniela, as you know, our whole mission at SPK is to help our clients accelerate their time to market, ensure they're compliant, reduce risks, all while helping create a quality product. So let's start at the beginning here. So Daniela, how does early issue detection impact the overall cost of product development? And what specific cost savings can engineering teams expect when they can detect things extremely early?
Great question, Michael. So simply put, late stage design changes can be very costly. Often in this stage of the game, you have prototypes, you have engineering hours, you have QA and testing hours that are put into this product potentially. So we want to try to avoid those late stage design changes as much as possible. And one of the great tools that will help nearly every company do this is CAD. Regardless of the CAD suite you're currently using, there are many solutions out there that can help you run simulations. So you can, early in the design stage, you can run it through these tests and make sure you're on the right path, make sure your engineer's constraints are being met. And you also have simulation tied to your industry, right? There's fluid, structural, thermal performance. There's a wide breadth of suites there that can help you really test your product in the early stages in order to avoid those costly updates after the man hours have been dedicated, after there's been documentation, after there's been a couple of changes already, perhaps. So to go into it a bit deeper, the specific benefits of using these CAD tools is to iterate faster. If you have a change you're looking to make, you can do the testing. You can make sure your requirements are being met early on. And the cost reduction there of capturing those flaws early on, you're able to pivot, you're able to know where that shortcoming is and address it rather than finding out down the line. And improve quality that goes hand in hand with, hey, I detected this issue early on in the design process. Now I can design for it. Now I can catch it. We can agree as a team on how to address it and have better quality. Also, streamlined workflow. Now, when I say simulation and when I say all these different tools, within the bigger software suites, they're often integrated. So you don't necessarily have to run two programs at once. And occasionally with your vendor, there may also be cost savings of adding that additional product that are available to you. So the integration is possible, right? Your engineers don't have to learn a completely new program. They can run it inside the CAD suite that they are used to running. And some of the software suites that are frequently used in our experience are PTC Creo. PTC Creo automatically comes with some simulation and analysis tools, but you're also able to customize. And here at SPK, we're a great PTC resource if that is your software suite of choice. Autodesk as well offers many simulation and analysis tools to better analyze your product. SolidWorks as well. There's simulation, which has some finite element analysis and optimization tools. We are also heavily involved with SolidWorks and would be happy to advise if that is your software suite of choice. Going deeper, there's Siemens NX and CATIA, also programs that we're familiar with. And they also have these tools and integrations that will make that design check that process much more straightforward and easy for engineers.
So Daniela, thanks for that. What are some, you mentioned simulation and some of the tools that go with that on the CAD side. Are there any other technologies or practices that engineers can use for like automated testing and real-time analytics to potentially catch any of those other type of scenarios?
Sure, I'll go into a couple of examples. This is not an exhaustive list by any means. So if you have more questions on how we can improve your design process and catch some of these issues early on, please reach out to us or to Michael. But just to give a few examples, for real-time validation, ANSYS Discovery Live is very helpful. It provides real-time feedback during the design process, so it can flag certain requirements if they're not being met as you're going through the design process. And it's specific to fluid dynamics and stress analysis. So if these are fields within your industry that you're designing for, that is something to look out for. There's also automated assembly validation. So if you're creating your assembly, you want to make sure pieces align. I've had this issue where from one angle, my assembly looks wonderful, and then I go to save and get many flags, right? Nope, this mate didn't work. This part is wrong. I've been there. So Keyshot, which is an example, but there's also built-in tools within Creo and SolidWorks that do very similar things. They can check for alignment issues and interferences in your assemblies as you're going, and that can be very helpful. I know sometimes I fall and prey myself to the generic error message when saving, and it can be troublesome to go through and figure out what part did I add that caused the error. Eh, Maybe there's multiple, right? So this is a great tool and one that I personally could have benefited from. Let's talk about AI as well in this day and age, right? Altair HyperWorks and Autodesk are now incorporating AI and machine learning to compare your designs and provide analytics during the design process and possibly give feedback. This is really cool and something I'm personally monitoring because this is such a prevalent field now, an emerging field, that it's great to see how it's being applied to CAD. Um, Generative design. So Autodesk generative design is really interesting as well because it allows engineers to explore design possibilities based on their constraints. So it's an interesting design philosophy of here are my requirements, here are my constraints, here's what you can do. It's from going from the 2D Autodesk AutoCAD to seeing what is available now and what's emerging in the field of CAD is fascinating. So yes, this is just a brief examples of some of the things that are out there, some of the tools that are out there. And please, if you have any questions here at SPK, we're happy to help. But it is just a fascinating time in the world of CAD, in my opinion, as a CAD nerd.
Yeah, I was gonna say everything has AI now, so
It
even
does.
even CAD, right? Uh,
Exactly.
Daniel, thanks for that because I think for th folks that are trying to ultimately look at the savings component and trying to eliminate costs, your point about not only simulation but any design help that you can get, even if it's AI earlier in the process, ultimately, addresses those potential late stage change problems. So now you've given us kind of the what's the impact. You've given us ways that they can engineering teams can find those problems earlier and analytics around making their product better earlier in the process. So with your experience, have you run across any scenarios where early issue detection really significantly improved the product quality or customer outcomes? And if you have, which I know you have, and all the things that you've done, but I'd love to hear some like lessons learned from that.
Sure. That's a great segue. Definitely have come across that. This specific instance happened for a medical device client, right? This is a highly regulated field, and they were creating a new iteration of their product. Early in the design phase, there's some concern because there's a tight timeline, right, that we had to reach. And there were prototypes that would come from the models being created. And we really wanted to be mindful of the time spent modeling and creating those prototypes, because then we can get it off to the testing lab. What we used to make sure that design process went as efficiently as possible, because it hadn't in the previous iteration, so it was a major concern, was FEA tools for simulation. And that's something I didn't get to play around with, but I saw the immediate validation that that provided. That was very quick to test. On my end, what I got to use was Design Checker for SolidWorks. This is a built-in tool that I put in our constraints in, and I made sure that it fit exactly what we were doing. My part of that design process went very smoothly thanks to that Design Checker program. And again, this was built into SolidWorks. I didn't have to learn a new software suite. I did my checks, handed it off to simulation, the simulation team, who were then able to use SolidWorks simulation to validate, and we were off to the next stage, right? It went much more smoothly than the previous iteration had gone. And that was just using a built-in tool from SolidWorks and simulation. So you really can make a difference in your design process, especially if you're working on an iteration for a product that has come across some roadblocks or you've had issues in the past. Even starting off with checking your design and simulation can open a lot of doors.
Awesome. Daniela, thank you for sharing today. We really appreciate it. We appreciate you, and hopefully our audience appreciated the information that you shared, and hopefully they can reduce some costs and improve quality and find those issues sooner in the product development process. If you like this video, please give it a like and a thumbs up and a subscribe, and be sure to follow us for more SPK and Associates content just like this video. So thank you, Daniela, and for the folks watching, until next time, thank you.